Hi, greeting again. Second topic for this week, number 4, is isometric projection, right? Isometric projection. During the practical class, I'm going to explain the technique also of the oblique projection. But for now, we're going to be concentrated in isometric projection, some of the key that you have to take in consideration in order to get through to this drawing that I have displayed here on the drawing. All of them had been drawn in isometric projection style because all of them has an angle of inclination to the left and angular inclination to the right of the screen, right? All of them inclined to the right, inclined to the left, or inclined to the right, inclined to the left, all right? That's when the drawing has the two side incline a particular angle, automatically we say that it's an isometric projection to compare them with the oblique projection. All right, that is a first thing that we need to observe for the objectives of this week. In order to get through to these lines that go to the right, or this line will go to the left, and this line to go up, we're also going to be looking at the rule of constructing the circle. We're going to be looking at the rule of constructing a cylinder. And we're going to be looking at the rule of constructing the cone. All right. I'm going to be moving into a pad blank screen into the regular routine sketching in order to see that the first thing that we have to do, recommending to do first when we're going to draw isometric drawing is a create a line, all right? Create a line at 30 degree respect to the horizontal plane, right? This is the horizontal plane, right? This is the horizontal plane. This line, we draw it at as a 30 degree, right? We draw this line as on the horizontal plane, right? And then we place the other line here, 90 degrees straight up. That is a recommended reference line in order to get through to isometric drawing. The angle that we place from here to here, right? The angle is 30 degrees. Right? We're gonna be using 30 degrees for this angle. And here, 30 degrees, right? Just 30. Same 30 degrees for that one. Right? Same 30 for this one here now. Right? 30 degrees for this. Now, this line is 90 degree respect to the axis here. Right? Whatever line that we're going to do now, right, in order to get through to the drawing, if we want to draw on a square box, we know that the measurement is 30 by 30. We can start from any direction. You can say 30 millimeter this direction using a 90 degrees square. Always you're gonna have the T square, right, attached to the size of the table. And then we have always keep your T square down right here below your drawing. Never move it from there, all right? Never move your T square from there. And then you're gonna use a 30 degrees square on the top here to draw all of this line. And switch the position of the set square, and you can draw the line this way. When you want a 90 degree, you just put it on the top and draw the 90 degree that way. Very simple. Can't be complicated for this, right? Can't be complicated. Whatever line go in 90-degree direction, you just use a 90 degrees square on the top of the T square, and you get that line at a particular measurement. If the line go to the left, you just put the square, 30 degrees square here, draw your line to the left. Line go up, change it again to the 90, draw the 90. This with a 30, and you get 30. Then this one go to the left with 30, this one go down to 90, this one go like this with a 30. All right, this one at the measurement you want with a 30, and this also with a 30. All you have to do is switch a position. When line go up, it's 90 degrees. When line go to the left, 30 degrees. When line go to the right, same 30 degrees. That's the same principle, the first principle to get the isometry drawing, right? Whatever other variant that you're going to do it, just same thing, 30 to the left, 30 to the right, maintaining just the axis. That is the principle of getting isometry drawing, right? That's the principle. The second objective is how to draw isometric circle. How to draw isometric circle. First, I'm going to place it outside. If this is the box, right, that you want to get a circle touching all the faces, you're going to look always for the longer distance of the box. This is the longer distance here, right? The greater distance. From here to here is shorter distance, and from here to here. Always choose the greater one, right? And then we have a choice one is select from this end to the half of the box here. And then from this end here to the half of the box here. We are looking for these point here. This point here. We are looking for this point. We are looking for this one. And we are looking for this other point. This is if I want the circle to touch all the edges of the box, right? What we do now, when we have these now, we need to place the compass in here. Place the compass in here to this point here, and the compass will create the arc like this. Move the compass with the CM from here to here, and it's going to create an arc here now. Then from this point to this one here, you're going to complete this section here. Complete this one. Then from this particular point, you're going to go to the other end of this, and it's going to create this. This is when we want the circle to be touching all the edges of this. But if the circle have a specific measurement, right? Say for instance that if the measurement for this box, if the measurement for this box is a 100 by 100, right? 100 by 100, and you want a circle here at diameter 30. If you want a circle here inside diameter 30, it means you have to create a box inside here at 30 by 30, right? You need to create a box in here, 30 millimeter, 30 millimeter, 30 millimeter, and then 30 millimeter. You create your box 30 by 30 because the diameter of the circle you want is 30, right? Then you create the same principle with it here. Just put a line from the longer one to this end here. Then you make a cross here to the middle, and this at the end of the box, go to the half of the box here. When you have this, you have, when you get this, you have now this point here, and you have this point here. Now you have this one here, and you have this point here. These are the reference point that we need. This one here to place the compass, right? This one here to place the compass from here to here to create this first arc here. From this one to here, we create this arc here. And then from here to here, we're going to give you the next arc here. Then from here to here, it's going to give you the next arc to come around and close here. This is when we want this, right? That is one. One more time on the top. Say you want a circle here on the top here, diameter, this is 100 by 100, diameter 60. It means we need to create a box here. Let me just use a different line thickness. We need to create a line 60 by 60. In some cases, you just in some cases you mark you need to find it is 100, right? It's a 100. What you can do for easy way, you can just place a half line here. I don't do that. Right, just a line and a half here. And if you want 60 by 60, just from here to here, you mark a 30. From here to here, you mark 30. From here to here, you mark 30. From here to here, another 30. Then use a 30 degrees square, and you draw this line. You draw this line, draw the one, draw this one. It's going to be one straight line, huh? Because I'm sketching now. You can move it that way. You create your box. Your box now. This box will be a 60 by 60 because we did a 30 and 30, 60. 30 and 30, 60. Now it's a 60 by 60. Now we use the technique one that I put it in there. That was placing from this corner to this one here. From this corner, go to the other one over there. We place the line on the middle, right? The line that go in the middle from the longer distance to the longer one. When you have these, automatically we have the point that we are looking for, right? That is this one here, the one in here, and the one in this spot here. In order to get the compass, from this point, we're going to draw this arc. From here to here, we draw this arc here. And then from here to the end of this is going to complete the circle. We're going to complete the one. Then from here to here, we can complete the other one. Are we going to be able to draw the circle in there using this technique? All right, that is the easier way. There are so many methods that we can construct the circle, but I'll give you the quickly and the easy one to get through to the drawing. The other one has so much line crossing line that is give you a more complication for this. Right? That is the easier one version to do it. I give you one more in class. When you come into the practical class, I'm going to give you another choice. Right? For now, as a tutorial, follow this instruction now for us. If it's a cylinder that we're going to do, that is the next topic, and they give you the length of the cylinder, only thing you need to do from the center, right? From the center of the box in the direction of 30 degrees, we create a line, a particular measure they give us. Say they want a cylinder, the length of the cylinder, they want a 150 millimeter. You draw this line at 150 millimeter. And then at the end of the line, you do the same thing. The same thing. We did it in here. We create a box at the particular size of the circle. If this circle was 100 by 100, we need to create a box here at 100 by 100. Right? That is the technique one. I'm going to show you technique two when I finish this. Technique one is just create your box, same way that we have in here. 100 by 100, you just go here, 50, say 50, there you go 50, and there you go 50. this way, right? Then you close your box, 50, 50, 50 away, 50 up, right? I mean, 50 from here to here, 50 from here to here, 100. 50, 50, 100, 50, 50, 100, 50, 50, 100. You create the same box 100 by 100 because this box that we have in the back is at 100 by 100. And then we repeat what we did here, we repeat it in here, right? We repeat it in here. You just bring the line to go from here to here and go, this line go from here to here. And then just get a line in the center, right? Get a line in the center in order to find the intersection point. The line coming to here. Look at this. You're gonna have this point here. Increase the thickness. Gonna have this point here. Gonna have this point around here. That one and this one. See, we are repeating it here. Right? Meaning that from this point to here, we create this arc. From this point to here, we create the next arc. From this point, we're going to create the next arc. And then from this point to here, we create the next. When you have the two circles, only thing you have to do is just use a straight line from tangent to tangent, tangent of this to the tangent of this one, right? Tangent of this to the tangent of that one. And then you create another line from the tangent of this to the tangent of this one, right? That is the other one. After doing this, just remove what not supposed to be. If it's a cylinder, we're not supposed to see none of this surface here. When it's a cylinder, we have to erase that part that are here now, right? We have to remove all of this section. You can leave the construction one if you want it, all right? You can leave the construction one if you want it, but those details that is not a part of the object, we not supposed to do. This is for a cylinder, right? If it's a cone, same thing, only thing you're gonna do, the diameter of the circle here would be smaller than the circle from the origin. If this is 100 by 100, you need to know what diameter they give you for the smaller size of the cone, and then you draw here based on the diameter of the cone. Not to try not to put the video longer. All right. If the cone is on the top, right? Say the cone is 50 by 50. Only thing we need to do is just X from the center here. We create a line at 50, right? At 50 millimeter. And then we reproduce the same thing we have done here. Right? We say this is the line. We say in the diameter 50, you say 25, and you say 25, right? And then is 25 and 25 down. When you get that one, you just produce a line, all right? 25, 25, and on the top of there, 25 and 25. Just close this and close that one up. You can go up no more. I drew it too low. And then just represent the line in the middle and the line across here to the half, and this line go through the half to the other, to the center. You get this? You have all the points that you need. You have the point here, you have the point here, you have the point here, and you have the point in here. Right? From each of these points, from here, you say, do you do this? Create a one. From this point, you're going to create a one on the top. From this one, you're going to close the one. And from that one, you're going to create this one here. Now, using tangent line, you're going to place a tangent line from the here to this, and from the tangent of this circle to this other one here, to outside here, or the tangent of this. And you don't just remove the internal part of the cone, right? Just remove this section here, not supposed to see it. Just remove our construction line that are here, right? Remove those construction line, right? We're going to have this circle. Let me just clarify the circle in there, right? Clarify this, and that's also the run shape. And we're gonna have the cylinder there, all right? That is for the one on the top of the object. Same thing when it's on the side here, same thing. From here, you extend the line, and here you construct your box at the particular radius you want it, right? The particular radius you want. You create your box, then you place the line across, line go corner to corner and corner to this, and then from the point at the intersection here, you create the first arc like this. No, I put this one in a wrong direction. Sorry, I put this one in a wrong direction. Have to be in the direction of the face, right? Have to be in the direction of this face. It's meaning that have to be this way, right? And this one going to create that one. This one, this way here. And now this one is down. And we reproduce this face. Create the box that is straight down. Okay, straight, come down here. And this, just make it straight down like this. Right? That is the box, same direction than this, that you need to coincide this. All right. And the reference line on the center, passing through to the center, and then this one go to the middle, and this one go to the other one. Now we have the pointer on here, and using, right, using the compass. The compass, and using this, we're going to go through here, right? And from here, we're going to get through to this. And then from here, you're gonna go through to this. And from this other corner, we go through to this particular point here. All right, just tangent to tangent. Sorry. Tangent of this. Tangent of that one. Tangent of this one to the tangent of that one. I don't remove the part that is behind of the cylinder, right? Remove the part that is behind of the cylinder. We can also remove our construction line, right? Remove our construction line, and we're going to have this. We're going to be, right? That is what we have for this. This is the technique to draw the line in isometric, circle in isometric, cylinder in isometric, and cone in isometric, right? This is the objective. We're going to be practicing this drawing this week. We're going to be practicing them, and then I'm going to give you other two drawing to do it as a homework assignment. All right, you're going to be practicing placing our dimension, drawing the isometry line, drawing isometry circle, drawing cylinder, right? Drawing hole, blind hole, true hole, right? Drawing a slot like this, drawing curve like this. We're going to be practicing. These are the 4 drawings that we're going to have for the class today. And then when they're done, I'm going to give you two drawing that was in the video before, right? The video, the two drawing that was in the previous video, right? That is the one that you're going to do for these two drawing that are at the end here. It's in this one, yeah. All right, the two drawing are going to leave it as a homework for you to draw it, one in isometric and one in oblique. I'm gonna teach the oblique topic when you come to the practical class, how to get through to these oblique drawing. Right, you're going to do these two as a homework. All right, the practical class, I'm going to explain a little more about the dimensioning, right? The dimensioning rules, isometric line, left to right, right to left, vertical line, isometric circle, isometric cylinder, isometric cone, and also I'm going to explain the oblique projection also when you come into the practical class. All right, that's all for this week number 5, and these are what you need to practice in order to do the homework assignment, and the test gonna be a little more complicated, right? Where you get experience doing this. That's all for now. Hope you watch the video as much time as you need it and help you for do whatever drawing that you want to do. All right, bye-bye. Take care.